Glory Wall Beds, who's a small US-based company, reached out to me right at the time I was sort of planning everything to move in, asked me if I wanted to try out one of their DIY Murphy bed kits. They told me that it would only take me an afternoon to put it together and it only required a drill. So I said, yes, absolutely, send it over. That'll be way nicer than sleeping on a mattress. They plant 10 trees for every bed they sell, so they're doing some good. So let's dive into a quick build montage of me putting together this Murphy bed. So I've been here about a week now, super happy with the bed. Oh yeah.